Are you struggling to make up your mind as to which credit card you should get? Listen, having the right credit card can be a total game changer for your finances, travel plans, and even just your peace of mind. But let's be real, there are like a million different credit cards out there, and it can feel super overwhelming trying to figure out which one is actually the best fit for you. That's why, in this video, we're diving deep into the top 3 credit cards in the world right now, as of 2025. We're breaking down all the juicy details, the awesome perks, the not-so-great downsides, and everything in between. My goal is to give you all the information you need so you can decide which card, if any, deserves a spot in your wallet. Whether you're a travel rewards junkie, you're all about that cashback life, or you're just starting to build your credit, this video has something for you. So grab your coffee, buckle up, and let's get right into it. Alright, first up, we're kicking things off with a heavy hitter in the travel rewards game. The Chase Sapphire Reserve registered trademark. This card has been a fan favorite for years, and for good reason. It's absolutely packed with perks that can seriously elevate your travel experiences, but it also comes with a pretty hefty annual fee, so let's break it down and see if it's actually worth it. One of the biggest draws of the Sapphire Reserve is its incredible rewards program. You earn 3 times points on all travel and dining purchases worldwide, which is huge. Think about it. Flights, hotels, Ubers, fancy dinners, you're racking up points on all of that. You also get 1 point per dollar on everything else, so you're always earning something back, no matter what you're buying. But here's where things get really interesting. Those points are super valuable. We're talking about being able to redeem them for travel at a rate of 1.5 cents per point through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal. That means if you have 50,000 points, you're looking at $750 worth of travel. You can also transfer your points to a bunch of different airline and hotel partners, which can give you even more value if you know how to play your cards right. Now, the Sapphire Reserve doesn't stop there. It also throws in a bunch of other perks that can save you serious cash on your travels. You get a $300 annual travel credit, which basically wipes out a big chunk of the annual fee right off the bat. Plus, you get access to over 1,300 airport lounges worldwide through Priority Pass Select, so you can relax in style before your flights. And if you're someone who travels a lot, you'll appreciate the peace of mind that comes with the Sapphire Reserve's travel insurance benefits. We're talking trip cancellation and interruption insurance, baggage delay insurance, primary rental car coverage. You're covered in case anything goes wrong on your trip. But let's address the elephant in the room, that $550 annual fee. It's definitely a premium price tag, but if you're a frequent traveler who can actually maximize all the perks, it's pretty easy to get more than $550 in value back each year. However, if you're not really a travel person, this card is probably not the best fit for you. On top of that, the Chase Ultimate Rewards program can be a little confusing to navigate at first, especially when it comes to transferring points to partners. There are a lot of rules and restrictions, so it definitely takes some time to learn how to use it effectively. Overall, the Chase Sapphire Reserve registered trademark is an amazing card for people who travel frequently and want to earn valuable rewards and enjoy premium travel perks. It's not for everyone, but if you're willing to put in a little effort to learn the ins and outs, it can save you a ton of money and make your travel experiences even better. Next up, we're stepping into the world of luxury travel with the American Express Platinum Card registered trademark. This card is practically synonymous with exclusivity and premium perks, but it also comes with an even heftier price tag than the Sapphire Reserve. So, is it worth the splurge? Let's dive in. The Amex Platinum is all about elevating your travel experiences to the next level. One of its most standout features is its unparalleled lounge access. We're not just talking about Priority Pass lounges here. You also get access to the exclusive American Express Centurion lounges, which are known for their gourmet food, top-shelf drinks, and spa-like amenities. Seriously, these lounges are like mini airports within themselves, but the perks don't stop there. The Amex Platinum also hooks you up with a ton of hotel benefits, like complimentary room upgrades, late checkout, and free breakfast at over 1,400 properties worldwide. Plus, you get automatic gold status in both the Marriott Bonvoy and Hilton Honors programs, which comes with its own set of perks, like bonus points and free Wi-Fi. And if you're someone who values convenience when you travel, you'll appreciate the Amex Platinum's $200 annual airline fee credit, which can be used for things like baggage fees, seat upgrades, and in-flight meals. You also get a $200 Uber credit, which you can use for rides to and from the airport, or just getting around town in style. But here's the catch. The Amex Platinum comes with a whopping $695 annual fee. That's a lot of money to shell out for a credit card, even with all those incredible perks. So, you really need to be someone who travels frequently and can actually take advantage of all the benefits to justify that cost. Another thing to keep in mind is that the Amex Platinum uses a charge card system, not a traditional credit card system. This means you're expected to pay your balance in full every month, which can be a big adjustment if you're used to carrying a balance. It also means you don't have a preset spending limit, which can be both a blessing and a curse. Overall, the American Express Platinum Card registered trademark is the ultimate travel companion for those who want the best of the best and are willing to pay a premium for it. It's definitely not for everyone, but if you're a frequent traveler who values luxury and convenience, this card can make your travel experiences truly unforgettable. Alright, for our final contender, we're taking a look at a card that's been making waves in the travel rewards world, the Capital One Venture X Rewards Credit Card. This card offers a ton of value for a relatively reasonable annual fee, making it a great option for both travel enthusiasts and casual travelers alike. The Venture X really shines when it comes to its anniversary bonus. Every year, you get a whopping 100,000 bonus miles after spending $10,000 on purchases within the first 6 months of account opening. That's enough miles for some serious travel. Plus, you earn 2 miles per dollar on every purchase you make, which is a solid earning rate for a card in this category. One of the best things about the Venture X is its simple reward structure. You don't have to worry about rotating bonus categories or complicated point transfers. You simply redeem your miles for travel at a rate of 1 cent per point through the Capital One travel portal. But it gets even better. The Venture X also gives you up to $300 in statement credits each year for bookings made through the Capital One travel portal. This means you can essentially book your flights or hotels through the portal and then use your statement credits to offset the cost. It's like getting free travel. And if you're someone who loves airport lounges, you'll be happy to know that the Venture X comes with a complimentary Priority Pass Select membership, which gives you access to over 1,300 airport lounges worldwide. You also get access to Capital One's own network of airport lounges, which are starting to pop up in major cities across the U.S. However, there are a couple of things to keep in mind with the Venture X. First, you're generally going to get the best value for your miles by redeeming them for travel through the Capital One travel portal. While you can transfer miles to some airline and hotel partners, the transfer ratios aren't always the best. Second, the Capital One lounge network is still relatively small compared to Priority Pass or Amex's network. So, while you'll have access to plenty of lounges, you might not always find one in the airport you're flying out of. Overall, the Capital One Venture X Rewards Credit Card is an excellent all-around travel rewards card that offers a ton of value for its $395 annual fee. Its simple reward structure, generous anniversary bonus, and travel credits make it a great option for both frequent and occasional travelers. So, there you have it, the top 3 credit cards of 2025. Each card has its own unique set of perks and drawbacks, so it really comes down to your individual spending habits, travel style, and financial goals. The key is to do your research, compare the options, and choose the card that aligns best with your needs. But remember, even the best credit card in the world is only as good as the person using it. Don't fall into the trap of overspending just to earn rewards or chase perks. Use your credit card responsibly, pay your balance in full every month, and only spend what you can afford. By using your credit card wisely, you can unlock incredible travel experiences, earn valuable rewards, and even improve your credit score. So, choose wisely, travel smarter, and make the most of the opportunities that come your way.